guys, it's me, Carla Dennis. I met with a friend over the weekend and they were talking to me about starting their business. And one of the things that I asked them was, do you want to be self employed or do you want to be a business owner? It is so important that we establish our long term vision when trying to build a business. Maybe in the beginning, it may just be you working that business. But if you ultimately want a business with employees so you can get a wage and get profit, then you got to start off with the end in mind. It's critical to really put together a strategic plan to hyper grow your business. And vision is one of the key elements that's needed. What are you trying to accomplish? By when? What does that business look like when it is all grown up? Something for you to think about, my friends. Once you establish your vision, we can inverse engineer how to get you there. I am Carla Dennis. Bye for now.